it's so difficult to have a partner who loves money too much, to be in a relationship with a person who loves money. Women, you understand it? Because guys, women will love money too much, but we have to know that when my partner says he doesn't not have money, we have to appreciate, because we can get angry sometimes, you understand it? We can get angry because we love money, but your man says he doesn't have money, you understand it? You have to appreciate the small things he does for you for a long time. Because it's so, because your man, maybe you know that my husband, when I want money he can give me, but maybe sometimes he says he doesn't have money, you understand it? Guys, you have to understand sometimes that he doesn't have money, because some women, when their husband doesn't not have money, he can he can't do anything for her husband when he doesn't not have money or mood. She can be in mood, you understand it? Because guys, women will love money. Some of the women, they love their husband, maybe it's end of month. He knows that it's end of the month, he can give me money, and that woman starting show you love. It's not true love, because guys, sometimes you love money or you love a person, you understand? Especially men, when they are broke, you want to show your husband love, because sometimes he can be jobless, you understand? Especially nowadays, guys, nowadays it's so difficult to get a job, you understand? Most of the men nowadays, or most of the people, they are self-employed, or they are doing their business. Maybe sometimes there is no business, you understand? Guys, try to help your partner. Maybe something is lacking in the house, because some of the people, they are saying a man is the head of the house. Yes, he is the head of the house. He can take care of you, but now the situation, you understand, you have to help your husband with some expenses. Maybe it's end of the month, the bills or what, you understand? Because some of the women, they love their men when they want money. But guys, we have to help him with some expensive, guys, because nowadays life, it's so difficult, you understand? Life of nowadays wants money every time, you understand? So you have to help him sometimes, because it's your partner. Because women, guys, we love money. Even that woman, where she works, but she always want money. Guys, women, we love money.